This is how I made over $6,300 trading the S&P 500. I try to find a bias just based off market structure. No ICT thing, just nothing, just straight market structure. And after that, I mark out my previous day's volume area highs, volume area lows, and point of control, and the previous New York's same level. I also mark out the pre-market high and the pre-market low. And those are the levels I kind of go off of to determine a bias with market structure. And coming into market open, I was a little long biased just because we were maintaining above the previous volume area high and previous New York's volume area high. We were super close to the previous day highs as well. And we were also really close to pre-market highs as well. When I looked at the stock heat maps, it basically shows all the stocks that are in the S&P 500. It was kind of like consolidating. Like some were green, some were red, and most of them were all gray. So that kind of made me think, okay, maybe I shouldn't have a bias today just based off the stocks. Now going over my markup and trade of the day, I was targeting a double break trade based off of what you see here. Right at market open, we started the dump. We started showing rejections at the previous New York's POC and previous day's POC. Shot up, come test New York VWAP and overnight VWAP, shot back down. As it was shooting back down, orb, which is 8:30 to 8:45 Central Standard Time, and after rejected New York VWAP, it broke orb low. It tapped into previous New York volume area low and previous day's volume area low. And then it started to push up and started creating higher lows as it was coming up to New York VWAP. Made a strong candle above the New York VWAP. I entered the trade. Based off the pre-market of what I explained, I wasn't fully married to longs, so I was going to take green when I saw green. I wasn't fully married to the double break. We had two very strong candles, and I said, screw it. I'm closing it. I'm done. And yes, I was $130 away from a payout, but I didn't chase price. I was like, okay, I'll come back tomorrow. I'm not even going to watch it anymore. I'm done. Because when I get super close to a payout like that, I start to like freak out. My mind's not in the right space, so I'm not gonna touch it. I'll just get my $3,500 payout tomorrow. And now look at this. This is when I closed out, and look at this straight chop. If I was trying to chase $130 here, I would have gotten screwed, and it probably would have blown up and probably blown the account or hit daily loss limit when I was up $1,600 on that account. So that's what happens when you stay disciplined. You come back the next day, and we're gonna get this payout this week, and I can't wait.